Now that you have a good idea of how to do your keyword research, and you're going to make a video and you're going to set it up to rank well for your keywords.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
Then, okay, how do you actually get the video to rank higher? There's off-page efforts and techniques that we should talk about. But first, a couple of little bit of disclaimers. You have to be patient. Ranking doesn't happen overnight. We don't own YouTube or Google. We can't tell it, hey, I have a good video, rank me. Okay? You can't say, hey, I'm doing all the right things, rank me. They have algorithms that are proprietary. We don't have all the knowledge of how they work. So we kind of have to approximate what is best and continuously learn from our efforts, and often be a little patient, because maybe we wanted to rank now. Of course, we wanted to rank yesterday, right? But our videos will, it sometimes takes time, okay? But here's what you do to make it go faster, to make it rank faster. What you have to focus your efforts on is getting more thumbs up, right? Those thumbs up, it's a sign to YouTube that it's a good video, okay? And it's a sign of engagement. They like that. More comments, same thing. It's a sign of engagement. They like that. It helps with search, so with search ranking. You want to do more social sharing. Those buttons that you have on the YouTube, share it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, and encourage other people to share, right? The better the video, the more naturally other people who are strangers who are watching the videos, the more chances they will share. All that will help your YouTube SEO. Then you want to embed your videos in blog posts and different forums and wherever you can. That's also going to help your ranking. The more embeds of the video, the better ranking. And of course, you want to have more views. More views and the acceleration of views, right? You want to have higher acceleration of views than the competitive videos in that search. And then it will get you to rank higher over time. Also, longer view times. If the video is good, people watch for a longer amount of time. And that's a sign to YouTube, hey, this is a good video. People are watching this longer than the other videos, or at least making it through a bigger percentage of the video. We should rank this higher because people are liking this more. And of course, you want to build channel authority in your niche. So if my channel is about business and I have only one video about business, that's not very authoritative, right? But if I have many videos about business and they get a lot of views, that's kind of like YouTube says, oh, this person makes a lot of, they cover a lot of topic areas within business, and people like it because it's getting a lot of views. And that's also going to build your channel authority, and all your videos will rank a little better. So all of these things are things you should be working to influence, and they will help you to rank your videos higher. One tactic that can be easy to use is paying to get the views, right? This is Google Adwords for video, for YouTube. And paying for views is not that expensive. You can get views for mere pennies, and you can get a lot of views. They may not be completely relevant views. Maybe it's a different demographic because it's cheaper. Maybe your demographic will be a little bit more expensive. Maybe 10 cents a view, 20 cents a view, which is still not bad. But if you need thousands of views, it can add up. But many people do use the tactic of buying views to increase the number of views and to jump over their competitors in YouTube search. So that's something that may be worthwhile talking about and thinking about, and we're going to cover how to do that in an upcoming video anyway.